Severe thunderstorm warnings in my area.
Thunderstorm warning for Reno County, Sedgwick County, Southwestern Harvey County, Northeastern Harper County, Northeastern Kingman County, Western Sumner County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms extended from near Plevna to 5 miles northeast of Pretty Prairie to near Garden Plain to 9 miles northwest of Caldwell, moving north at 20 miles per hour. This warning replaces the previous severe thunderstorm warning. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wichita, Hutchinson, Hayesville, Park City, Valley Center, Goddard, Mays, Kingman, Clearwater, South Hutchinson, Cheney, Colwich, Conway Springs, Haven, Nickerson, Caldwell, Garden Plain, Mount Hope, Pretty Prairie, and downtown Wichita. This includes Interstate 135 between mile markers 1 and 2, and between mile markers 4 and 12.